Within a day of submitting your child's new enrollment forms, you will receive a unique link for your child to complete the Executive Functions Assessment. It's an engaging, puzzle-like experience that shows us how they learn best and how their EF skills impact their learning. It highlights their strengths and identifies areas where they need to improve EF skills. The result is a clear, detailed profile that explains how your child learns, how their EF skills impact their learning, and provides us with specific strategies to begin working with your child. We know it's not just about the numbers and reports, it's about personal connection. That's why we bring parents and students together for a relaxed, in-depth interview with one of our specialists. In this hour-long virtual session, we'll review your students' assessment results and chat about your child's friendships, favorite teachers, hobbies, goals, and any challenges they're facing so we get to know them as a person. We'll then create a customized plan for your student. And it doesn't stop there. Within a week, we'll carefully match your child with a coach perfect for them and your family. You'll get a detailed bio of the coach, so you'll feel confident knowing who will be guiding your child on this journey. This is where the real growth happens. Each session is customized to help your child develop the skills they need to succeed. We require 2 hours of weekly coaching to establish lasting habits and create automaticity. Whether sessions are in person or virtual, we accommodate your family's schedule, helping your child gain confidence and independence along the way. While most students work with us for 9 to 12 months, every student's timeline is unique. And because we have proven results and believe in the work we do, we don't require contracts. We keep working with your child because it's working, not because you're locked in. Throughout the process, we make sure you're always in the loop. We provide regular updates, progress reviews, and ongoing communication, so everyone is on the same page and working together to support your child. At Illuminos, onboarding is just the beginning. We're with you every step of the way, providing personalized support, expert guidance, and the confidence your student needs to succeed. Enroll your child with Illuminos today, and let's get your child on the right path to achieve.